everyone, and welcome again to BlackBox QA. So, in this video, we will see about why we are chosen Python as a scripting language, which we will be seeing in our further videos while we will be working with Selenium and Appium. So, for that, why we have chosen Python as a scripting language. Okay, so this entire video would be very short and precise, and we will be knowing about the various benefits of using Python. So let's get started. Python's simplicity and readability, its huge community support, Python's rich libraries and ecosystem, and by using Python, development becomes faster, and so the execution. And it is very easy to integrate Python with Selenium and Appium. And at the end, we'll be concluding this video. Okay, so let's get started. Uh, so we know that there are n number of scripting languages which can be used with Selenium and Appium automation. But why are we going with Python here in this course? Okay, so Python has many advantages over other scripting language. Okay, so one such example is its simplicity and readability. Okay, so if so while working you'll get to know that Python syntax is very close to English, right, which makes it easy to learn even if a person is not from a programming background. So that's the beauty of it. Let's say you haven't had any kind of exposure before for any kind of a scripting language, but once you start with Python, right, most probably you won't be facing any kind of challenges as the syntax for Python is very simple. It's very close to English. Okay. So, and also Python syntax is designed to be intuitive and straightforward, allowing testers to focus on writing effective tests rather than getting bogged down by complex syntaxes. Okay. So before that, I wanted to show you with that. Uh, if you can see that there are two code snippets over here. So one is for Python, the other one is for Java. So by seeing through the number of lines of codes, for both Python and Java, you'll get to know that Python has less number of lines of codes, while Java has little bit more as compared to Python. Now, if you look one by one each line, comparing both these code snippets, you will see that it in Python you just need to import WebDriver. Though in Java you have to import WebDriver as well as Chrome driver. We'll get into more details on all these technicalities in further videos, but for time being, I'll just go through all of this one by one, and let me know if you face any kind of difficulties in the comment section in understanding this particular code snippet. Okay, so first of all, in order to automate uh, browsers using Appium or Selenium, you first need to have its driver, right? So here we are trying to call the Chrome browser, okay, and Chrome browser driver. And here as well, we are creating a driver session for the Chrome driver, right? Now, to to launch any kind of URL in Chrome driver, this line, this syntax is same for both Java and Python. And once you launch this particular URL, so this driver.get and whatever parameter you are passing over here, so that's the URL which will get launched into the Chrome browser. And once it's launched, here in the next line we are printing its title. So there is a title associated to each of the web pages, as you all might be knowing. So we are trying to print that title using Python over here, and we are trying to do the same thing using Java. So here it says system.out.println driver.get title. But here it's very simple. It's simply using print function, and then it's printing the title of the web page, and at the end it's quitting. So here you might be getting a very this is very simple code snippet, and you all might be getting a gist of it, that if we go further into doing all the scripting using Python, it's gonna be very simple, as the syntax of the Python is very simple and it's very readable as well. Okay. Okay, now going back to other features of Python as a scripting language. So yeah, we just saw the comparison of Python with Java, and this also describes the same thing. Like, it's easy to learn, readable, and beginner friendly. So Python's clear syntax and structure make it accessible for beginners, enabling new testers to quickly grasp automation concepts and start contributing to projects. Now, when it comes to performance, so Python has the excellent performance in automation scripting because of its efficiency in executing scripts, allows for rapid test execution, making it ideal for continuous integration and delivery environments. Okay, and yeah, so it's being adopted by developers, like it's been massively adopted by developers across the industries. And with a large and growing community, Python is widely adopted across various industries, various, I would say, ensuring a wealth of resources and support for automation testing. Okay, now Python's huge community support. So, what does this community means? So, before this chat gpt came into picture, initially we, as an automation tester or developer, uh, we used to, if we get stuck at any place using any scripting language, so we used to reach out to uh, the forums where people from across the globe, they are, putting all their queries, and the respective persons or team from the respective language, they use to address all those queries. So that's what we call as community support. It can be at the Stack Overflow, it can be at all the GitHub communities. So with that said, Python has a huge community support. So let's say there are over 10 million developers actively using Python, and the community is a rich resource of knowledge sharing and collaboration in automation testing. Okay, so tons of tutorials, Stack Overflow answers, and GitHub projects are there. So if you are stuck, chances are the solution is already out there, right? So this is one of the major benefit of using Python in any kind of automation project. Means solutions are all solutions most probably would be there. Okay. Now coming up to the next feature of Python, it has rich libraries and ecosystem. So for Selenium and Appium automation, so Python offers PyTest. So it's kind of an ID, just like an Eclipse, if you might have used while working with Java. So Python offers PyTest for easy test framework setup. Okay, and it has unit test, like built-in testing support, requests for API testing integration, pandas and OpenPyXL for handling Excel test data, and Allure for reporting. Okay, so apart from that, it has NumPy for integration testing. So all all in all, if you see, like, whatever kind of testing you're using, either it's UI testing using Selenium Appium, or it's an API testing, or it's a mobile or web application testing. So it has Python has rich libraries and ecosystem. So uh, you name it and Python have it, kind of a solution is there. Okay, and last one is it has faster development and execution. So it works seamlessly on Windows, macOS and Linux. Okay, so and also the other features are like less boilerplate code, faster scripts. So Python's concise syntax allows for elimination of unnecessary boilerplate code, resulting in faster script execution and development. Okay, rapid prototyping with dynamic typing. So Python's dynamic typing facilitates quick prototyping, enabling testers to iterate rapidly and adapt to changing requirements. Okay, and also this makes Python a one-stop solution for tester who wants to broaden their skills. Okay, and now in this entire series we have focused on Selenium and Appium along with Python as a scripting language. So it provides easy integration with Selenium and Appium. Okay, so official support for Python bindings in both Selenium and Appium. It's very active updates from the Selenium Appium community and tons of boilerplates, projects, and templates available online to start quickly. Okay, so I would say Python is not just a tool for automation; it's the fastest gateway for testers to enter automation world, and it makes Selenium and APM testing simpler, faster, and more powerful. So as this course will proceed and we will be doing some hands-on experiences also, so then you will get to know like how simple it is to use Python in your automation framework. So the reason behind choosing Python was this only, like let's say if a person who do not have any kind of programming language and if they start with Python, I'm pretty sure they won't be facing any major challenges. Okay, so with that said, I'll conclude this video and hope you are all excited to get through the other technical videos which will be having soon. So stay tuned and happy coding. Thanks so much.